Hey, it's Tony from Tony's Cabin. Hope you can see me. I got to do some trimming of this tree because I can't walk through here. So I thought I'd take you with me. Sammy is my supervisor as always. So let's get started. Well, that's just wonderful. I guess the battery's dead. Battery's dead. That figures. Okay. This is a quickie. So, sorry guys. I did get 2 branches done. But I need a bigger one because this gotta last. This ain't doing nothing, see? Nothing. It's dead. I thought it was charged. Alright. Talk to you guys later. Tony's from Tony's Cabin. Peace out, people.